Since age 7, I've always wanted to be a doctor. I chose this profession so that I could help people attain a better quality of life. MyMD is a small private practice that charges an annual fee. MyMD allows me, as your personal physician, to spend more time focused on your individual needs and concerns. The real benefits include direct cell phone access, minimal to no wait, and same or next day service in a relaxed, unhurried office atmosphere.
We have a chronic diagnosis that's going to require ongoing management over a period of time. And I wish to have a physician that's going to give me the attention that my disease entity warrants so I can maximize my quality of life.
I will be 73, my husband will be 77 this year. We are always stopped and asked, how in the world do you do what you do? We're very, very active people. I feel that because of his practice and his involvement with my husband and I, we are as healthy as we are today.
I have a new family myself, and making sure that we have the best available health care is, I think, what's most important to us right now.
I prefer a small town feel. It's where I was born, and Dr. McDonald has what I call an old-fashioned way of doctoring.
I want to have the type health care where I can prevent problems rather than fix them.
Well, we've always firmly believed in preventative medicine, and Dr. McDonald has, as a young fella, has been on the cutting edge and is very concerned about preventative medicine also.
One of the biggest challenges that I've had as a doctor of internal medicine is feeling the pressures of the insurance industry and time to spend with my patients.
I've been with Doctor for about 2 years. He has never rushed me in an appointment.
I've spent hours and hours and hours in waiting rooms waiting for a physician appointment that took all of about 5 minutes. So Dr. McDonald assured me that I would not be waiting in the waiting room for hours. He assured me that he'd be there for me, and he is.
The fact that he cares, and you know that when you meet with Rich, that he truly cares about you, and his assessment, not just trying to find an immediate solution to your issue, but developing a plan and a strategy together as a partnership, and then following up on that plan to make sure that we're mitigating whatever issues we're trying to resolve. I think that's what I like most about Rich and his practice.
Not only a doctor, but he's my friend. And he treats me like a friend.
We had to put her in the hospital overnight. He called me like every other day. And as a caregiver, because I had my dad living there too until he passed away 3 years ago. But that voice on the other end of the phone, you can't even imagine how special that is, or how much pressure that takes off of a caregiver, knowing that all you have to do is pick up the phone and call him, and he's always there.
I called once at 7 in the morning. He answered the phone at 7 in the morning. My doctor, that was so, I couldn't believe it was him. I thought it was an answering machine. But he says, no, I told you I'd be here for you, and I am here for you.
The level of service that you get through him and his practice, you can't get anywhere else here in Bend. And I feel that I need to be able to provide my family with the best possible health care, and this is it for us. And to know that I have access to him at any time, and to know that my son and my wife's taken care of, and they have a relationship with Rich, you know, that's what it's all about.
I determined that I had a chronic medical problem that, as I grow older, is going to need detailed attention. And Dr. McDonald and his history with me, plus the opportunities that the MyMD program will offer, should match up beautifully.
I think Dr. McDonald, being independent, can offer a broader range to make sure that you do get the best specialist should you need one.
He's probably one of the best internists that we have here in this whole area, and what a wonderful investment in him this would be. I think it's the best investment a person could make.
Great.
As far as their health.
Yeah, how can you put a dollar and cents value on good health care?
I already have had some major medical problems and major medical bills, and so I had to think about going out of pocket more, but I decided that I would do it because I think in the long run I'm going to save money.
Other than my wife, I would say that Dr. McDonald knows me as a person and my situation better than anybody else out there. I don't feel like most patients would be able to say that about their doctor. So that's what MyMD provides me, is access to my doctor, and a doctor that knows me as a person and as a patient and truly cares about me and my family.
It's about creating a private practice environment that's both personal, confidential, and has the best service that I can possibly deliver for my patients.